Jai Bhim friends, this is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, today we came to Pali Reservoir for visiting the Pali Reservoir with my family members. Friends, see Pali Reservoir filled with the fully of water and with the catchment water, which are the catchment water filled the Pali Reservoir. See friends, overflowing water going on and the Bhimli water going on. See friends, the all gates were lifted. Approximately 25 above gates is there. Friends, many visitors also came and visiting. The Pali Reservoir tributary to Krishna River among the Bhima, Musi, Dindi, Paleru, Munneru, Tungabhadra and Ghattaprabha and Malaprabha. See friends, the incessant rain also coming down since the 5 days that given the much of water and the Bhimli water. We are inside the bridge. We are traveling and we are visiting. See friends, the last year also one flash flood also came and many houses were washed out and the one family members were also died, wife and husband. See friends, water flowing how that going on. Every year we are coming and visiting the Pali Reservoir. How is the water? How is the flowing going on? Like, friends, we are right now bank of the Pali Reservoir. Friends, I will show the on side the water also. How is the water filled and how is the water going on? See, friends, the water and here is the one good experience and this is the fortune to farmers. The water giving the good field also, good cultivation also to farmers. See friends, right now we are, this is the located we are traveling to the Nakinegudem to Paler.